Hey, that's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility, and I wanted to step outside, get the first half of this video for you, show you how the conversion works, so we'll get right to it. It's got the manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. Just grab the door, slide it open. The ramp's got spring assisted down here, so I can actually pull it out with one finger. Very easy to do, very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. The ramp is 30 inches wide. The entry height coming in is 56 inches. Inside the van is 58 inches. So you roll the wheelchair in here. This van does have that neat seat that'll fold down. This will also fold up out of the way. You can put the chair right here if you want. You could also remove this passenger seat, put the chair up there, and carry up to 5 people in back. So the interior is very clean. Those back seats look like they've hardly ever been sat in. The middle row is very clean. I'll put that seat up so you can get a good view here of how this actually looks. It's got the hard plastic floor. It's got the tie-down holders. We give a free set of tie-downs away with each van. It's got 2 removable front seats. Like I said, you could actually put the wheelchair up front there if you like. As far as the dash, it's in really good condition. I don't see any cracks or holes in the dash. It does have the rear air controls as well, so you can control the air in the rear. Your passengers can get rear air conditioning. And then when you've got everybody all secure, the wheelchair tied down, come back out, reverse the process again. Very easy to do. Folds right up. I can do it with one hand, no problem. Swing it shut, and you're ready to roll. I'll do a quick walk around on this van. Its body's pretty clean. Certainly not a brand new van, but overall very nice. Looks like it has 2 brand new front tires on it. These are just an economy brand. They're a Crosswinds brand. Overall, the body's pretty clean. I'm not saying there's no dents or scratches on it, but I mean they're hard to see if they're on there. This van's been very well kept up, fleet maintained. So overall, pretty clean van. It does have a few little spot down there, probably with some body work was done at one point. But overall, looks good, runs good. I hope this helps you out. Please let me know if you need anything else. Our goal is to make them clean and to keep them affordable. We're not trying to make these vans brand new, but we are trying to put a nice product on the road that runs and drives good. I can see a little bit of signs of maybe former body work down there, a little scrape in the paint. Certainly nothing major. But we try to point out any little thing we can on these vans. We try to make them, our videos, as transparent as possible. We have nothing to hide. We have no trouble selling these vans. Van comes with 2 keys, 1 key fob. Does not look like the key fob is working. It might need a battery. It might need more than that. The interior here, like I showed you in the video earlier. When I go to start the van up, it starts right up. First time, every time. Radio works. Current miles on this thing are 139, 134. We've no check engine lights, no ABS lights on, none of that. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, the van has a 3.9 V6. It idles smoothly. We've checked under the van for any signs of any damage, any water damage. Everything looks pretty good. Check the van for leaks, and like I said, we've done quite a bit of work to these vans. Underneath the van, there's the air conditioner dripping back there. That's what you see dripping. It's a very muggy day here. No major oil leaks, no major rust. Be sure that no matter who you buy these vans from, if you're going to buy sight unseen, or if you're unable to get down on the ground like this, make sure they make a video for you. I see these vans for sale for $10 a dozen. All the time up in New York, New Jersey. Well, guess what, folks? When you get them over to your house, wherever you live, there's a good chance they're going to be all rusted out. There's a good chance they're not going to pass inspection in your state. And if they don't pass inspection, you can't drive them. Do you really want to buy a van that you can't drive? So, happy to get out and make a video like this. We hope you choose us. We hope you see in our videos we're trying to be as honest as we possibly can. That combined with our prices, our service, and all the work we've done to this van. But know who you're buying from. Let's take the van on a test drive. Before we do, I want to show you, check the windows here. Power windows work. Air conditioner works great. Power mirrors. It's not some van you show up has a bunch of issues that we didn't tell you about. We try to tell you everything we know about the van. So let's get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the last portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on a test drive, get them out on the highway so you can hear the engine run, hear the transmission shift. Get these up to highway speed so you see that we're not hiding anything. Certainly not a hot rod, but the van gets up to 65, 70 miles an hour, no problems. Got the cruise control set. You can see the green light there. Cruise works good. The van runs and drives real nice down the highway. And what I'll do is I'll take the next exit. I'll give the van a hard brake at the bottom of the exit so you can see that there's no brake noise, no brake grinding, no front end suspension, shaking all over the place or anything like that. I know there's a lot of companies out there to buy mobility vans from. Ask yourself, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Do they have over 500 reviews on eBay, all positive and 0 negative? Because we do. Do they charge administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? Be sure you ask them, because we don't. We don't try to slip stuff in on the back end on you. We don't try to hide anything. That's not how we do business. Can they help you with affordable shipping? Because we can. We own a shipping brokerage. We can get these vans shipped very affordable to your home or business. I'm going to give the van a nice solid brake coming down the ramp here. No grinding, no brake noise. So all this is certainly not a brand new van. It's certainly not a perfect van. It runs and drives nice. Just about, I can't find really anything on it that doesn't work. Brand new tires, AC works great, clean title. So if you ever want to come look at one of our vans, we'd love to spend time with you. We'd love to answer all your questions. Please give us a call first. Sometimes we're out doing things like this. We know your time's valuable. We don't want to miss you. Give me a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. Always check us out 24 hours a day on our website, www.mobility316.com. We've also got a store open in Dallas now. We're just getting started there. BigTexMobility.com. You can see all our inventory on one page. Both dealerships are on one page. So as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.